everyone, it's Beth here at Fullerton. Today, I will be your tool search co-pilot as I help you navigate and understand how to fully utilize search. Let's get started right on our search page, which you can access directly from the home page or from any of the drop-downs in the navigation bar. From here, you can search by EDP or tool type. Tool type is what we're going to search by today. I'm selecting end mill, and from here, we can filter our search. I'm going to select a cutting diameter, which you can scroll and select or type in your dimension. I'm also going to select an overall length. As you can see, our search auto-filters as you go so that you never end up with a search with 0 results. So I have a bunch of results here. I'm going to filter them further by only showing what is in stock by clicking this button. There are also some other helpful buttons over here. You can switch your results to be shown in metric instead of imperial, swap your view from table to inventory view, and clear your search. And I also want to add another filter that isn't shown on the screen. So I'm going to click the Click Here to Add More Filters button. I'm going to select the double-ended filter and then select Yes. Now this has filtered our search results down to a nice selection. Here I can click the line items and can find out more information on the EDP numbers. I can compare stock and pricing for the different coatings, add to my cart or wish list, download speeds and feeds, and oodles more of goodies, but we'll save that for another day and another video. Have ideas that would help propel FullertonTool.com to the next level? Share any ideas and suggestions through our feedback tool that you can access via the chat button. Have a great day and see you next time.